bug?
Kaylee.
Kaylee. Oh, no. That's food. This is gross.
Get in. No, Kaylee.
Kaylee, come here. Go to the ear button.
Come over here.
Come on. Come on, buddy.
Hi, everyone.
Hi.
Hi.
Look, Mark.
Hello.
Okay.
Kaylee. Look. Kaylee.
Kaylee, look. Kaylee. Kaylee.
Look. Look.
Come get it. Come get it, baby. Come get it.
Oh, whoa. What is this?
Yeah, it's the big stuffed berry. For you. Look, it has no rubber band on it. And like bow on it. Yes! Got it, baby. Just stay on the back of it, baby. No. Eggs. Can you call them eggs? Look. Bunny, my honey. Still working. Lots of eggs. Lots of eggs. Open it, Kaylee. Open it. Open it. What's inside it?
Yeah, she can't have those. I guess Mom's gonna have to have them.
I want the gum. Hey, gum. There's no one there.
All right, Donovan. Go find yours.
Okay. Folly. This one mine. That's for you guys. You have tons of eggs. Don't remind this.
Let's see. Let me see that. Oh.
Mommy and Daddy.
Oh.
We're going downstairs.
You're going downstairs?
I don't think the Easter Bunny would have put it downstairs because it's not finished.
Oh,
So look.
Hopefully she's not eating anything.
She's playing in there.
Well, where was it? The
right.
chocolate that's in
It's
it?
in there.
Okay.
She's digging that. She's looking for his egg or his basket.
Oh, she just put it in her mouth.
But he's looking for his basket.
What is going on?
What's wrong?
I can't find my basket.
Are you sure you got one? Were you good this year?
Yes. I don't think I have one. This stinks. Oh. Look. Whoa. Oh. I got a bookie. That Patrick has. Bookie. See, Daddy?
Oh, cool. Well, take a look at it. Get your basket out.
Here's all. Here I go. Here I go.
We're signing off.
Right. Here it comes. Right in there. Oh, buddy.
He found it! He's like, do I eat it? Is it okay? Get it! Good boy. Yay. Happy Easter, Ash.
You ready?
Yep.
Like,
Put an egg on. Put an egg so you can get busy with the egg.